Hi Mateo, this is Frederick, and this is a quick video showing you how the pages are made. We have a form. Everything starts with a form, and we have an invoices form in Gravity, and this has all the data that's being collected. These are two hidden fields. Make sure you don't change any of this because some of the things may stop working correctly. So if you do make edits, it may change things. Make a copy or a duplicate of the form if you want to do any testing or create another dev. Or I would do a duplicate of this one if you want to do anything with it. And we have a set of views. We have a client side view, and then we have an admin side view. In the admin side view, we have this is where the archive, the single entry or the edit entry. This has all the fields. Same with this. If you delete one of these, it would delete the work of whatever was done over here or this column. These have some custom fields in here, and both the download and the delete is where this image. This is the download image that we need to be swapped. And the delete image we need to be swapped if you'd like to change them. And then an update we need to be clicked, as well as if you go into the client side, the client does not have a delete, but he's able to download the file, and this file will need to be updated as well. If you look at the single entry, it has certain fields for them as well, and then it's got an edit. I'm not sure, I'm not giving them an edit capability right now, so that would be something that you have to do in the future for them to edit it. But just the management, admin can edit the files again, so an admin can go in and click edit over here and edit the files. Then we move on to the pages. The pages are, you have the client side and you have the admin side. The admin has their own upload, which is right over here, and then you would select a user and you would upload a file. The archive, so this would create a download. There's that file right here. It just opened it up, pretty much. And this would delete the entry. You can view the details or edit the entry, remove or edit any of this. Then if we go on the client side, the client can do the same. They can add it, and yeah, I don't have anything. I'm not a client, so this would really just work with the client side, but it does the same thing. I can send you a screenshot and I can log in as one of the users and view it. But it's similar, to what you would view in the archive. And one of the things that is happening here on the pages, for example, in the admin invoice archive, you have a content permission. It's for administrators only. And the same with the upload page. And this is also happening with this one. I'm thinking just make them a subscriber. That would be the best bet, for this. That means that they're registered users. And this is their upload. And we could do, subscriber and administrator. We could go back to that other page, hit update the archive. Away both of these. There we go. So this is the main walkthrough, and it's very nice. You know, all you would need to do is swap these images if you needed to, and just click save, and it would work right away. And to search for a user, you would type up the name over here, and it would drop the name. And then, for example, we go to admin, it's going to show up, and then you have to clear it, you know, to see the full list again. So if you have any question, and looking forward to let me know if you have any questions.